Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So you guys have read the title. This is going to be an adventurous weekend. Today's the 4th. Happy 4th of July. Me and my mother are outside grilling. It is 8:45. We got up at 7:30 to start. The grill gave us a hard time, but now we got it moving. And we're aiming to be done by 12 o'clock because we beat the sun. We're not trying to be out here when it's extra hot, extra everything. And then we still want to have time to relax and do what we need to do for the rest of the day. So as she pulled up the grill, let me go ahead and show y'all what it looked like.
Girl, don't show that.
Mama, I'm not showing you.
I say the picture. Look at the food.
Oh, the food. Okay, y'all. So we ain't grilling in a minute. So a few of them a little burnt, but it's all right. Y'all can just peel that off. Some people like burnt skin. So if you judge it, don't judge. We're going to continue to cook. Put the burgers on. So I had basically meal prepped everything. I see this fly that's over here. I had basically meal prepped everything. We got ribs, chicken. We're gonna put it on the beef rib tips. We got the pork on now. I made some baked beans, mac and cheese, deviled eggs. My grandma made potato salad. What else? We got hot dogs, hamburgers, you know, the usual cookout, and chicken sausage. But I got that from work, so we ain't even got to cook that. Amen. Okay, we got on the beef ribs now. I just flipped that one. That looks good. I'm not really ready. Ooh, honey. Okay, y'all, you see the sun is out. It just came out. I'm turning the music down. It's shouting at me. But we're practically done barbecuing. Let me show you the last little pieces that we have. We got some more hot dogs and the little rib tips on, but we kind of done, y'all. Like, I love to barbecue in the morning. Like, we thought we was going to beat the sun, but it's okay. We're going to be done before anyone else, and I love that. Also, sorry to all my friends that's not going to be able to eat because I invited too many people. I invited more people than I thought. Well, I invited too many people because we don't got enough food for everybody. So that's definitely interfering a little bit, but I love y'all. Sorry. Maybe the next barbecue I have, but I'm going to go ahead and take these off. And then I got to work on the mac and cheese. And then I'm done cooking for the day, y'all. Y'all, it's been hours later. Food is done. Joe lay L over. Hey. 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 Katie say hey. Oh yeah. Baby, I just say. Oh yeah. Say hey. Baby, I just. Do you know this song?
Yeah.
Oh, let me show y'all the food. This the mac and cheese. They done bust through it. Baked beans. The other meats. It was on.
The rose burnt because it's still cooking.
Ouch.
It's hot. Yeah. Is it still on? It's 8.
Yeah, it's off. If it's 8 in. It's hot.
They are.
No. Oh, that over with.
This one probably
Probably burnt too.
Oh no, it ain't that bad.
No, that bad. That look okay. Yeah, them two okay. That burnt. But we can just eat the top of these. But yeah, we eating right now. Well, I'm not eating. I'm just chilling. Here go my deviled eggs I made. Bust down.
See you, baby.
Go, Katie, sing.
That's a lot. No.
I would never say never.
Say it right there.
Never. Never would the baby say. Never.
Okay.
He want it, Mike. Baby, 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 yeah. I'm trying to make her put on some Fantasia. Oh, this is my song too.
Oh, see, too late.
Ain't nobody ever go.
What about this one? Like this?
No, I don't know that. That too. That too. No, whoa. Steady love. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get back on when I got my plate so y'all can see what I like. Yeah. I'm not falling down like I used to. I don't do the things I used to no more. Okay, it's literally nighttime now. It's 10:08. I was supposed to show y'all my plate. I didn't. But baby, we got 2 more hours before my bitch birthday. 2 more hours. We're about to go see some fireworks and just really chill and just wait till 12 o'clock. Yeah. We're gonna go out to eat and all that tomorrow, but it's definitely about to be a vibe tonight. Let me show y'all my outfit. TD, Forever 21, TJ Maxx? Yes, TJ Maxx. And I'm not wearing my hair scarf, of course, y'all, because I just got to keep these edges laid before we go outside. But we about ready. I had to rush over here and get ready because my bookie did not want me to leave, but I'm here now and we finna be outside, okay? So, period. Birthday girl fit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh. Yeah.
You need a thug in your life.
So, yeah. Let me get back on once we get in the car or basically to our next destination. Okay, y'all, we finna do a shot, baby. Baddie, shot o'clock. Cause we had to get the Don Julio. So she could act the Julio. Cause last time I did Don.
The fucking phone, that's how you do me, ho?
Yeah.
I called you.
Don't play like that. I was fucked up off of this shit. It was too much.
It should be okay.
Cheers! I'm sorry.
Oh.
Cheers! Cheers! Oh God.
Birthday.
You finished it? Oh. Is this shit like 3 shots?
I don't know, maybe like
2.5.
Yeah,
Y'all, I haven't drunk in weeks. I've been so good.
shit. That was good.
That shit not even going nowhere. Okay, we need to hurry up.
No, for real, let's go.
Okay,
For
come
real.
on.
No, bro, I'm ready now, for real. Go, girl, it's your birthday. Open wide, I know you're thirsty. Say ah.
All right. We'll see y'all when we get there.
I just got burnt.
We outside posted up doing fireworks right now. Raven's birthday in 7 minutes. No, 8. I gotta work on my focus. Huh?
Y'all vlogging?
Yeah, you gonna be online? What you wanna say?
My brother back.
Okay.
Okay.
They gotta see it. Back up.
Pop your shit. Pop your shit.
What's your clothing brand name?
But it's hot as fuck. And
Yeah, you
got
got long
summer.
sleeve.
What the fuck?
He don't care.
Let me get a picture. Get in the back with me.
Wait. Do what I could get. Oh. I forgot y'all here, and I really need to save my battery. I'm gonna put some more fireworks on when it comes.
I ain't even got one.
Huh? Happy motherfucking birthday, bitch! I gotta get you a shot. Happy birthday, boo. Happy birthday.
You gotta put it on.
Hey. Brown fire. I ain't wearing that. Y'all see me. Good morning, next day. Me and Raven at Waffle House. Today's officially her birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Thank you. Hi, YouTube.
Y'all, I'm trying to recover, like always. Definitely gotta start with the orange juice in the morning. My camera died. We did not end up coming home till like 5 in the morning. It's dark. Okay, here we go. Yeah, we didn't end up coming. We didn't end up coming back to the house until 5 o'clock in the morning. And child, I was just drinking. And y'all know I'm not really drinking right now. So when I'm not drinking right now, I just feel everything. So I'm feeling everything right now. Hopefully this breakfast is gonna help and we can move forward with today. But we gotta go to the mall. The dinner's tonight at 8 or 8:30. 8:15, okay. And we're thinking about doing bowling tonight. But we're just gonna go with the flow today, see what it's giving and go from there. Oh, period, my food here. Thank you. You're welcome, period. Alright, the rest of it. Okay, y'all, let me eat. I'll be back home. Look at my bestie outfit, y'all. She looks too good. Yes, bad bitty. Bad bitch contest. You in first place. We done went to the mall. What else we do? Came back, chill, and changed, and now we're about to go to Knobs. She look good, we look good, bad bitches linked up, you know what I'm saying? Period. So, we're about to go ahead and head out, because it's that time, yeah. So, we'll see y'all in Knobs. It's 1 in the morning, and ain't no outside today, baby. We's in bed, look at her. In bed. And we is tired. So we're gonna see what tomorrow gives and just go from there, because we ready to go to bed, okay? See y'all tomorrow.